Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you 8 different ways to cuff your jeans, and cuffing your jeans is a must if 1, you're super short and every pair of jeans looks long on you, and 2, you want to show off your cute shoe. You want it to shine, you want it to come through. So the first style of cuff is the undercuff. This is my favorite because it's a way of tailoring your pants without really taking them to a tailor. So it's basically just taking the length you want and hiding it on the inside of your jean, as you can see me doing. Super easy, super quick, super cute. We're here for it. So look at that. Jeans altered without a sewing machine. You're welcome. For the second cuff, this is the single cuff, just like you are all days of the year. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You're not going to be forever alone. But for this single cuff, what you do is you just take the length of jean you want, fold it over your pants just once, and that's it. Look at that. Beautiful. It looks stylish. You look like you know what you're doing, but you really don't. But no one needs to know that. I love this cuff. It's the easiest to do when you're in a rush, after the undercuff, obviously. For the third cuff, we're doing the overlapped cuff, and what you're going to do is with your single cuff, you're going to fold another cuff, but make sure you're leaving the hem of the jeans peeking. And as you can see, you're left with this very stylish, looks complicated, but it's very simple and cute. Love this for when I want to seem like I'm putting an effort in. For the fourth cuff, we're doing the rolled cuff. This is super easy to do. Basically, all you do is you take a piece of your jean. Let's say start with the hem, obviously. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll it all the way up until you're satisfied with the length and you're good to go. As you can see with this particular type of shoe, rolling enables you to show off your shoe. Now you can tell the details of the shoe, you can see them. It looks cute, it looks nice, I love it, and it looks super stylish as well, especially with boyfriend jeans. I think it looks amazing, but it also works with skinny jeans. They just can't be too skinny, otherwise it will not work. Next up, we have the wide cuff. It's just like the single cuff, except you make it really wide. I think this is super stylish, especially with boyfriend jeans. I, however, tend to avoid this cuff because it makes me look a bit shorter than I am. I'm already super short, so I really don't like looking shorter. I like giving an illusion of longer legs. But when I don't care about my height, I'm feeling cute, I'm feeling stylish, I pull off this cuff. But if you're short, you might want to stay away from this one, as it tends to shorten your legs, which sometimes isn't cute, unless you're tall. With my wide cuff still in place, all I did was cuff it again to make this double cuff. Make sure you're hiding the hem and everything looks nice and right, and that's it. Simple to do, but looks super stylish, and it's super cute. This one is a bit complicated. It looks a bit complicated, but I promise you it's not. And it's a half tuck cuff. And what you're going to do is you're going to start with a single cuff, actually a double cuff. So just do a double cuff as normal. And just when you think this is going to be a regular cuff, bam, it's not. You're going to pull the insides. Just make sure you're really making it look messy, but leave the outside bits untouched. As you can see, there's a double cuff on the outside, but on the inside it's messy, it's ragged, it's cool, it's funky. I love it. For the last and final cuff, we're doing the scrunched cuff, and starting with a single wide cuff, you're going to fold over the hem over your cuff and then just scrunch it up. Literally just go crazy. There's no method to this. It doesn't matter. The messier, the better. Anyway, that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that I'll be seeing you in my next one. Until then, bye.